Hello, I'm Stacy Moore, and today I'm going to take you through the steps of making an English paper piece coaster.
For this project, you need quilt batting, fabric scraps, needle and thread, pins, paper hexagon shapes, and marker and scissors. The first thing you need to do is cover all your hexagon shapes in fabric like this. Whip stitch all of your hexagon squares together into a coaster shape. Once you are done sewing all your hexagons together, you will need to trace that shape onto your batting and cut it out. Next, you will have to take out all of your hexagon paper pieces from your coaster top. Now you will baste your batting that you have cut out onto your fabric. Now place the fabric pieces together right sides facing, making sure that the top lines up with the batting that's on the back side. You will sew all the layers together using the fold lines as a guide. Here I show you how you can also whip stitch the top down to the backing. Clip your corners and turn the coaster right side out, being sure to get all of your corners sharp. Pin and ladder stitch your coaster closed. Finally, do a quilting stitch around the outside edge of your coaster.